Good morning students, welcome to APS Ambala YouTube channel. Question number 3rd. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So first of all open your compass 3 centimeter long and draw a circle. This is a circle with center O and radius equal to 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. Means from the center you have to take a point P. This is 7 centimeter. We have to take a point P at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. Then also on the left hand side at a distance of 7 centimeter you have to take a point Q. This is a point Q on the left hand side from the center. Its distance is also 7 centimeter. Draw tangent to the circle from these points P and Q. Now from this point P we have to draw the tangents like this, and from this point Q we have to draw the tangents. Now what we will do, first we will draw the perpendicular bisector of the line OP. So I will put my compass on point P. I will open it more than half of OP and draw two arcs above and below. Similarly on the point O I will put my compass with the same radius. I will cut the previous arcs. I will join their point of intersection in the dotted line and the midpoint of OP is A. Similarly, I will draw the perpendicular bisector of the line OQ. I will open my compass more than half of OQ and will draw the two arcs above and below with the point O as well as with the point Q. I will join their point of intersection in the dotted line to get the midpoint of OQ as B. Now with this point A as the midpoint of OB, I will put my compass on the point A and will open up to O and will draw the dotted circle like this. Also I will put my compass on the point B and I will open it up to Q and I will draw the dotted circle. Now see here, with A as center, this dotted circle intersect the given circle at 2 points C and D. Name them as C and D. Join P with C and P with D. Similarly, from this B as a center, you can see this dotted circle also intersect the given circle at 2 points E and F, join Q with E and Q with F. So these are the tangents. PC and PD are the tangents from the point P. QE and QF are the tangents from the point Q, and their lengths will be equal. QE will be equal to QF and PC will be equal to PD, because these are the tangents from the same external point.